Assalamu alaikum and good morning, and welcome you all guys in the lecture of the series of the epidemiology subject. In the today lecture of the epidemiology, we will learn about the sample size calculation. There are the different method, and then there are the variety of the formulas to calculate the sample size. But in the today lecture, we will go to learn the sample size calculation by using the Cochrane formula, which is the famous one, which is used by the researcher to calculate their sample size. Let's go. What's the Cochrane formula says? The Cochrane formula is the formula